Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now it's just a quick video really just to update you with the state of play regarding the state elections. Now I am sure a lot of you are aware that quite a few of these states have been declared inconclusive, and we're going to have a rerun in those states. But the results that have been declared, these are the names that we're going to be conjuring with in these states for the next 4 years. So first up we have Abia State, Okezie Okpazu. Apologies by the way for the way I'm pronouncing some of these names. So Okezie Okpazu of the PDP. And the one thing that I want you to pay particular attention to as well is the demography of the voting. And what do I mean by that? I want you to pay attention to which party is winning which state. So that then gives you a good indication of how the voting pattern in Nigeria translates and which sections of the party belongs to which political ideological stance and which political parties. So I'll be reading out the names and reading out their parties, and very quickly you would spot what the trends are. So we go on to Akwa Ibom, Udom Emmanuel of the PDP. Then we go on to Borno State, Babagana Zalom of the APC. And then we go on to Cross River, Ben Ayade of the PDP. In Delta State, we have Ifeanyi Okowa of the PDP. Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi of the PDP. Enugu State, Ifeanyi Ugwanyi of the PDP. Gombe State, Anuwa Yahaya of the APC. Imo State, Ihedioha Emeka of the PDP. Jigawa State, Mohammed Badaru of the APC. Mohammed Badaru of the APC. Kaduna State, of course, we know belongs to the midget Nasir El-Rufai of the APC. Katsina State, Aminu Masari, APC. Kebbi State, Atiku Bagudu, APC. Kwara State, Abdulrahman Abdulrazak of the APC. That sounds like a Yoruba name. Lagos State, of course, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. That state, of course, belongs to Tinubu, so that's Tinubu's man. And he, of course, is of the APC as well. Nasarawa State, Abdullahi Sule, APC. Niger State, Abubakar Bello, APC. Ogun State, Dapo Abiodun, APC. Now, this is a deviation from the norm because you would have noticed from all the previous ones that I've read out so far, the geographic spread, the party spread, the leanings of the political bent of different sections of the country is showing in their voting trends. So the PDPs are taking pretty much a lot of the southeast, if not most of the southeast, and a good chunk of the southwest as well. But now this Dapo Abiodun of the APC has taken Ogun State, so that's a slight deviation from the norm, although Sanwo-Olu took Lagos State as well, but we can discount Lagos State because Lagos State, of course, belongs to Tinubu, and of course Tinubu's man will always hold Lagos State. So we're going to Oyo State, Seyi Makinde. He looks like an intellectual. I don't know what his CV is, so I have to look him up and see what he's made of. But so far, it looks like a fresh face on the political scene. So Seyi Makinde, PDP, takes Oyo State, and I think he's wrested that from an APC man. So we go on to Taraba State, Darius Ishaku, PDP. So now that looks like a steal because a lot of the northern states, of the northern sounding states so far have gone to the APC. So that looks like a steal for the PDP. Yobe State, Maimala Buni. I don't really need to tell you where that one comes from. With a name like Maimala Buni, it can only be APC, and he is. Zamfara State, Mukhtar Idris, APC, Mukhtar Idris. So those are the names that we have so far. Those are the ones that have been declared so far. And what I really wanted to highlight in this video is the voting trends. So you can see really that the APC is really more of a northern party, and the southern states that they do take, like Lagos State, etc., belongs to chieftains of their party. So we can discount that anyway. So because nobody is really going to wrest Lagos State from the likes of Tinubu, that's never really going to happen, and that would not be allowed to happen. So now where the play is now is in Kano State, because the Kano indigents are now rebelling against Gundaju, or Ganduje rather. I think Ganduje his name is, the dollar man who was seen pocketing dollars in that viral video that we've all seen. So they are now rebelling against that style of governance, and in that rebellion they have now turned to the PDP man, who's now in the commanding lead in the elections before it was declared inconclusive. So we are now waiting to see how that will pan out. Is that going to be a rehash of Osun State, Adeleke, Isiaka, etc., or is free and fair elections going to be allowed to hold sway? So this is what we're waiting to see with regards to Kano State. And Kano State is quite a pivotal and an important state within the Nigerian hegemony, as we know. So we wait with bated breath on that one. So as we wait, those are the winners of the runners and riders. So who are your winners? Which name surprises you in the names I've just read out so far? Let's have a conversation around this in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation, click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray. Then, having done that, come join me in the comment section where we can carry on this conversation. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.